often hear from a lot of our clients and home decor suppliers that they have designs that have various color variations and size variations, but when they get these products set up on Wayfair, they can't seem to get them combined into what's called the super SKU. Hi, I'm Josh Roberts with RSG Sales, and we are an e-commerce coaching and sales management firm. So typically you have a parent, which would be the parent SKU, and then you have a child. The child would be a different color or a different size. That is the true version of what a parent-child variant is, whether you're dealing with Wayfair, Overstock, or any other e-commerce account. It is very important and a lot of fun to have super SKUs because you benefit from that when you have one parent SKU in multiple variants and sizes or colors. One of the big advantages is that you get credit for a review for all of the different sizes and colors. So it leads to a much more robust SKU. So how do you ensure that this combination gets done correctly when you're uploading products on any of these accounts? The first step would be to really understand the onboarding of the SKU and the uploading process and make sure that you're filling out the paperwork correctly, and that will alleviate a lot of problems on the front end. But like anything else, sometimes you do everything right and it still doesn't work. But don't panic. There are ways in which you can quickly get this corrected and get the item set up the way it's supposed to look. So if you'd like to get some help with some of the uploading issues that you're having with variants or any other challenges that you might be having with your e-commerce sales channel, next steps would be pretty simple. Please click the link below and schedule a call with us and just answer a few of the short questions that we've laid out to help us maximize our time with you on the call. And we look forward to speaking with you to talk about next steps.